Welcome back to Math 107, College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at the idea of a piecewise defined function. So I can give you a function that looks like f of x equals x squared for x greater than or equal to 1. And we'll say it equals x for x less than 1. And we put a little brace here to indicate that those things are put together. So the way I suggest doing this is I'm going to go ahead and graph both of these functions. So x equals 1 we'll consider to be there. So I'm going to graph both of these functions on all real numbers, or at least all real numbers that are defined. In this case, it's all reals. So that graph's going to look something like that. Now, also go ahead and draw, and I'll use blue here. The line y equals x, which is also going to be used for some parts of our function. And now, I just want to use the one that applies. So for x greater than or equal to 1, we want the x squared function. We're just going to draw over that. And then for x less than 1, we want f of x equals x. So I'll trace over the line y equals x. So I get a graph that looks like that. Now the other thing that we can do with a function like this is say I asked you to evaluate f of 3. So the first thing I do is I take a look at that x equals 3 and I figure out which definition applies here. In this case, 3 is greater than or equal to 1. So it's the first definition that's going to apply, f of x equals x squared. So I plug that in, I get 3 squared, or 9. So that's how we can evaluate a piecewise function, and how we can graph a piecewise function. In class on Tuesday, we're actually going to take a look at some more advanced things with the graphs of functions. So I will see you guys on Tuesday.